Okay, so the next part is to mount the Arduino Mega and the shield. I have a 2X shield here to this top plate. So one of the things we need to do, now that we've got all the wires tucked in there really nice, is take the plate off so that we can get at it. We're going to put that aside for a little bit, and we're going to mount the Arduino Mega to the plate. Now there's 4 really nice plastic spacers that are in the kit. And get out the nice screws with this. Actually, it's not these long ones, it's the little guys here. These are the smaller ones. Okay, I think I got them all. The nice thing about this is you actually have a screw that goes in each side of the little black plastic. So one side will be in between the plate, one side will be on the motherboard of the Arduino. So, as we look around, I have previously found the matching holes, and I put this on the AirQuad documentation because you can mount it as the flight pattern goes forward and backwards. Okay, you can mount it in either X mode or plus mode, depending on how you want to fly your frame. I like flying in quad mode, so I'm going to fly with these 4 holes. So this is one of my holes. Put one of these little screws in there. And mount one of the plastic standoffs to it and get it nice and tight. Then figure out which one's the next hole, which is that hole right there. And another plastic standoff. Got that hole. Now, the first time you look at this shield, you're going to say, man, there's a lot of holes. But once you figure that you have the plus mode, cross mode, X mode, you have the plus mode configuration, and you also have room on the shield for the mini as well, in plus and cross. It's a pretty versatile shield. You can mount things in multiple different ways. You can even mount the Arduino Mega board as well. Very well thought out. Okay, we're going to put the screws in now on the top side. See if we can't get this nailed down. I'm not going to tighten the screws right off the bat so I can get all 4 of them in. trouble with my hot glue there. Do a little trim job. When I attach my power supply to the outside of the casing for the Arduino, I made sure there's a big blob of hot glue on there to keep it steady. Give these a little cinch down. Make sure they're nice and tight. Tighten the bottom side as well. And that's it. Now I'm going to make my shield, my 2X shield, Quad shield here, with my Mega. Make sure I get all the pins in. And there we go. We have shield with a little dot level on it, and the Arduino Mega all on the board. Now we bring back our beast here. We make sure that the speed controllers go through the little slot that's provided there with the standoffs. And we can mount it back on. Make sure you get all the standoffs in there to protect the shield and the electronics. And then we plug our motors in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for me to get the Mega on here, for me to get the next shield on, which is the end cap, I'm going to have to put some small standoffs on here. There's actually some standoffs in the kit that don't have any screws on the ends, or bolts on the ends. For example, here's what I'm talking about. You want to use these. No. We can edit that part right out. Put these small standoffs on. Then you grab the really nicely laser etched top plate and you mount it. And there's our package.